Hello, everyone. Today we will ride Living with the Land with me as your tour guide. If you enjoy it, please like and subscribe and let me know what other attractions in Florida you'd like to see. Welcome to Living with the Land, where we explore how humans and nature work together. Over time, our needs have transformed the land, but nature always adapts, sometimes in surprising ways. On this journey, we'll travel from wild landscapes to futuristic greenhouses to see how we're reimagining food production for a growing world. Nature's power shapes the land in dramatic ways. Thunderstorms like this one bring life giving rain, but they can also change landscapes in an instant, carving rivers, flooding plains, and renewing the soil for future growth. In the lush, layered rainforests, rainfall and warmth support an incredible variety of life, and the dense canopy creates its own weather patterns. These ecosystems play a vital role in regulating the Earth's climate and producing oxygen. Rainforests are among the most diverse and vital ecosystems on Earth. Every layer, from the treetops to the ground, is teeming with life. Birds, insects, monkeys, and plants, all competing for space and resources. But despite their importance, they're disappearing rapidly due to logging, agriculture, and development. Meanwhile, in the desert, water is scarce, temperatures are extreme, and survival depends on indigenous adaptations. Cacti store water, animals hide during the day, and even brief rainstorms can bring sudden bursts of life. These environments may seem empty, but they're full of specialized organisms evolved over millennia. Once stretching across millions of acres, the American prairie supported vast herds of bison and countless plant species that helped build some of the richest soil in the world. These grasslands might seem simple, but they're complex ecosystems with deep root systems that prevent erosion and store water. Today, much of that prairie has been transformed into farmland, making it even more important to protect what remains. For generations, families have lived and worked on the land, shaping it with care, creativity, and resilience. Traditional farms like this one were once the backbone of America's food supply. While farming methods have evolved, the values of hard work and stewardship continue to guide how we grow our food today. Throughout history, farming has been shaped by necessity, environment, and ingenuity. Early civilizations learned to cultivate crops, studying seasonal cycles and working in harmony with the land. Over time, they developed plows, irrigation, and crop rotation techniques that allowed communities to grow and thrive. Here, we see a showcase of the incredible diversity of farming practices around the world. In mountain regions, farmers carved terraces into steep hillsides to prevent erosion and grow rice and vegetables. In dry climates, drip irrigation systems deliver water directly to plant roots, conserving every drop. Today, modern farmers face new challenges, feeding more people with fewer resources, protecting soil health, and adapting to changing climate. Technology is playing a key role, from autonomous tractors to real-time monitoring of soil nutrients using AI and sensors. Despite these high-tech tools, farming remains deeply rooted in tradition. The connection between people and the land remains as strong as ever. The future of agriculture depends on blending the wisdom of the past with the possibilities of tomorrow. In the tropical greenhouse, warm temperatures and high humidity create the perfect environment for a wide variety of exotic crops. Many of the foods we enjoy every day, like bananas, papayas, sugarcane, and coffee, thrive in these lush conditions. Some of the most important spices in the world, like vanilla and cardamom, also grow in tropical climates. These crops can take years to cultivate. By studying tropical farming techniques and experimenting with different growing methods, we're learning how to protect and preserve these essential plants. Aquaculture or fish farming is one of the fastest growing forms of food production in the world. Here they raise species like tilapia, bass, catfish, and shrimp in carefully monitored tanks that simulate natural conditions. These systems allow them to raise fish sustainably, reducing the pressure on wild populations and helping meet the global demand for seafood. Waste produced by the fish can even be repurposed as fertilizer for nearby plants. part of a closed loop system called aquaponics. By recycling water and nutrients, aquaculture helps conserve valuable resources while producing healthy, high protein food. It's a powerful example of how technology and ecology can work hand in hand to support a more sustainable food future. Here in the living laboratories, scientists and horticulturists are exploring innovative ways to grow the food of tomorrow. These greenhouses use controlled environments to optimize light, temperature, and nutrients, helping plants grow faster and more efficiently year round. They grow a wide variety of crops here, including everyday staples like tomatoes, lettuce, and cucumbers, as well as exotic fruits and spices like dragon fruit, vanilla, and even Mickey shaped pumpkins. Many of these are served right here in EPCOT's restaurants. Their vertical growing systems and nutrient rich water tanks reduce the need for soil and use far less land and water than traditional farming. These greenhouses aren't just for show. Here, scientists, students, and agricultural experts conduct real world research every day. Working in partnership with government agencies and universities, they study plant biology, pest management, and sustainable farming techniques. Some of the techniques developed in these labs have already made their way into commercial agriculture, helping farmers grow more with less while protecting natural ecosystems. By reimagining how and where we grow food, we're opening the door to a future where these sustainable practices help feed communities in places where traditional agriculture isn't possible, including deserts, cities, or even space. Through research, education, and innovation, we're learning how to grow more food with fewer resources in ways that protect the environment. The future of farming is about feeding people responsibly, ethically, and sustainably. We all have a role in shaping the future, whether supporting local farmers, reducing food waste, or embracing sustainable choices. Small actions can make a big difference. The land belongs to all of us, and its future depends on what we do today.